Hey guys, I'm Mick. Welcome back to my channel MYKK2083. Today I want to fly my drone, like for testing it, because last month, like in 26th of October, I went to the Himchori waterfall, Cox's Bazar, and I crashed it while I was landing it near the waterfall. So it was full of mud and water. So I cleaned it, and it's almost been more than a month now. So I think it's whatever water went inside, it's dry now. So I want to try it, and I'm gonna fly it in near the Balu river, which is like 10 minutes from my home. So yeah, let's go and see if I can fly it or not, because it's almost sunset time. So let's go and see what happens. Hey guys, I'm near the river now. It's almost sunset. It's like 25 minutes to sunset. So I couldn't make it to the river bank because for the ongoing construction. Before there was no construction. I came here like few months ago. So let's fly the drone and see what kind of footage can I get. There is the river bank up there, but they're making a bridge or something, or a flyover, so connecting this side to that side. So that's why I couldn't go to near the river. So let's fly the drone, and I've got like 20 minutes, 25 minutes. So let's go. Hey guys, hope you guys like the drone footages, and I tried my best to do professional video. I hope you guys liked it, and I went maximum length from like the maximum flying range from takeoff point. This is the first time I did that, so yeah, it's gonna be probably an awesome video among all the drone footages that I made. So yeah, it's all, sunset is done, the sun is gone now, so let's go, because all those constructions, the road is really rough and like ditches everywhere, so really risky to drive. So I have to reach home before it gets dark, because there is no light on the road as well. So let's go and make another POV to getting back home. Let's go. Hey guys, got home, got freshened up, and now concluding the video. Hope you guys like the drone footage and the flying the drone, because I'm practicing to become more professional about the drone flights. So, and I also was making a POV with my GoPro Max, but the video got messed up. As you guys have already seen, that the camera is full of dust, because the whole road is under construction. There, like the whole road is like full on construction, so that's why I couldn't make the POV, but luckily made the drone video. So yeah, now like I fly the drone from like really far distance. I haven't done that before, so yeah, it was fun. And I only had like 25 minutes to fly the drone till the sun disappeared. So yeah, so if you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and definitely share my videos. And if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I really need subscribers. I got really good view counts, but people don't subscribe my channel. So don't just watch the videos, please also subscribe the channel. And after subscribing, press the bell icon to get notification of the next video. And this is it for now, and see you guys in the next one.